welcome back. Today we are diving into a snack that goes perfect with a movie. It's 4700 butter popcorn, so let's get started. It's 90-gram pouch that comes for 30 rupees and a shelf life of 12 months. And to make it's just super simple. Just empty the pack in a pan or a pressure cooker. Now turn on the flame, cover it with a lid. Leave a small gap for the steam to escape, and within a minute, you will notice the popcorn pops up. Cook it on medium flame and give a pan a shake now and then. In about 3 minutes, you will have fresh, hot, buttery popcorn ready to enjoy. I have also tried Act 2 popcorn before, but I have to say, this one is a notch. The buttery flavor is rich, satisfying. The popcorn itself is a crisp and perfect cooked. You see the size. It feels like a premium snack without being at the premium price. My kid is a huge fan. Honestly, so am I. So, if you are looking for a quick, delicious, and high quality snack, it's definitely worth trying. Give it a try and let me know in the comment section if you want me to try any other flavor. Subscribe for more.